My hair looks a little crazy right now. My hair's just wet. I have some like product in it so it can dry and be all defined and pretty curls. So don't mind my hair. We gonna glow up together. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, today I'm gonna be giving you guys tips on how to transform yourself from a bum to a baddie, mentally and physically. If you really want to be a baddie, you really need to learn mentally is what really matters. And I know it sounds so cliche, but like it really does, bro. We're gonna be looking down a little bit in this video today because I did go ahead and write down some notes. This is not gonna be like a full like in-depth tutorial, but I am gonna like kind of like back and forth go through my tips and telling you guys what I'm using. If I do forget to tell you guys what I'm using today, it will be linked down below in my description box. First thing I'm gonna use is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Okay, so you want to make sure your eyebrows, you don't always have to get your eyebrows done, but I do urge you to learn how to do your own eyebrows. So let's go ahead and get into this, is how to transform mentally. I feel like the number one thing that I can tell you guys honestly, for example, if I punch you in your face, it's gonna hurt, yes. But if I do something to you to hurt you mentally, that pain is way worse, and that pain is so much harder to overcome and heal from than physical pain, right? And I just feel like it just goes like over a lot of people's heads on like what's really going on inside. Whatever the hell you want to learn, that is completely fine, but if mentally you are not working on yourself as much as you are working on the outside view, baby, you are never going to feel fulfilled. You are never going to feel complete. And I know you've heard this before. Confidence is the number one way, the number one thing you need to have to becoming a fucking baddie. My step one is learn how to validate yourself. Stop looking for validation from everyone else. So for example, if I go out, right, and I go out and I'm in a rush or something like that, and my hair just doesn't look how I want it to look. It just didn't come out right. I hate it. I'm not feeling it. I kid you not, I could ask every person I'm with that day and say, oh my god, my hair's so fucked up, like, and they're like, girl, your hair looks fine, like there's literally nothing wrong with your hair. It does not matter what they say. For the rest of the day, I am going to be self-conscious about my hair, because at the end of the day, I know that I don't like how my hair looks. That's how I feel. Somebody can get 10,000 likes on a picture on Instagram and 5,000 comments of people putting heart eyes and telling them how pretty they are, but those are the same people that are so insecure. Because why? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you don't think you're beautiful, your opinion counts the most. It matters more than anybody else's. So next up, I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is in color Pure Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish my concealing my brows off camera just so I can kill time, okay? So now that you know not to allow people to validate you, and you want to learn how to validate yourself, the number one way to do that, which is my step number two, it goes hand in hand, is affirmations. You want to journal and write down or say out loud the things you want to become, or the things you want to remind yourself of. So for example, I sometimes have a problem with procrastination. So in my journal, I would write down, I am productive. So I don't know if you guys see it on TikTok, but you guys know that song, I Am, and that's literally what affirmations are. So we're gonna sing that song together. Ready? I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. Period. Period. You don't have to say stuff like that, obviously, but some people do wake up every morning and they play that song, and it really, you're speaking to yourself, you're validating yourself. And there's something called fake it till you make it, girl, because you will train your mind to start believing that. For the most part, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Milk's moisturizer, and then I'm going to take the NYX Hydra primer and I'm going to prime my skin. So the next tip that I can give you guys is going to be listen to motivational speeches. So you're already like on the right track by tapping into a video like this and, like, you know what I'm saying, like letting me speak to you guys. And now you can listen to videos like this. You can there's other motivational speakers like Les Brown Eric Thomas, Steve Harvey. Those are some of my favorite motivational speakers. But then also you can watch YouTubers like Team Stacie. I'm actually gonna tag my playlist up on the video and in the description box for my self-love. Like I have videos kind of centered around this, so you can watch my type of videos. There's people like Tati Coley. I love Tati Coley. Love Your Natural. Love Your Natural. These are girls that literally I listen to and they've changed my life. Next up, I'm gonna go in with some foundation. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I like to use different, I don't ever use one color, I use multiple colors. So I'm gonna go in with 3 foundations. You do not have to go in with 3 foundations at all. Literally take 1 foundation and work with it. So step 4 would be trying out new things. For example, where I'm from, a lot of like the baddies, like the Instagram famous like kind of girls that I follow, they're always in the club, they're always smoking hookah, they're always live getting drunk. You know, that's what they like to do, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I can insert videos and pictures of me at the motherfucking club smoking hookah and, you know, getting lit, but I tried it out. I tried to see, am I one of those girls that like to be at the club smoking hookah? And I realized I don't. I really don't. I just don't like it. But you know what I'm saying, if you don't feel like happy at those you know, high school or college parties, and those things just don't make you feel happy, you're not gonna feel confident in a situation like that, because that's not you. You know what I'm saying? And that leads me on to the next one. Learn what makes you happy. This whole journey of becoming a baddie, transforming yourself mentally and physically, it's a journey, and it's sometimes a lifelong journey, but it's not a bad lifelong journey. It's not like, oh shit, it's taking me so long to figure this out. You're getting older, you're changing, you're liking new things, and you need to take the time and get to know yourself and figure out what is it that makes you happy, what makes you smile, what makes you feel safe, what makes you feel loved, what makes you feel purpose. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm just gonna set this foundation. You just want to make sure you're looking nice and awake and just beautiful. Alrighty guys, so I just did like my normal like kind of like chin, nose, forehead, and under eye. But that's pretty much for the tips that I wrote down today on how to transform yourself mentally from a bum to a baddie. And I think it's just very important. At the end of the day, I just want you to realize that this is your show. You have to realize that you are the main character of your life. Out of everybody in this world, you are going to spend the most time with yourself. You are in this body. This is your body. This is your soul. This is your home. You need to know yourself. Put some setting powder to set, because as you guys see, my under eye just be creasing like hella bad. So next up, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take like a big fluffy brush, and we're just gonna like kind of try to dust away. Go in with my favorite contour palette, and I'm just gonna take the Scope color, and I'm just going to put that, I'm gonna put that right above my cheekbones, and then I'm gonna put this a little bit below my hairline. The reason why we're gonna go like not literally right on where it needs to be is because when we blend it, it's gonna move around. So I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, so I'm gonna be right back. All right y'all, so I did my lashes off camera. Yeah, and then I had to put my scarf back on because my edges was lifting. I'm gonna line it with the dark brown from Ruby Kiss. Oh, this is just brown, it's not dark brown. And now I'm gonna take Cario. Ooh, I'm looking bad as fuck, period. Because I usually do a glossy lip, but I feel like today I should do a matte. Alrighty guys, so I did go ahead and put a little bit of gloss on my lips. I love the matte look, but I'm so a slut for the gloss look, so yeah. I mean, I did take my hair out off of camera. My curls are a little bit more defined because this morning they was hella dry, so right now they're very cute. But that's pretty much the end of this video. Today I wanted to show you guys how to transform mentally and physically into the baddie that you are destined to be. Now before I really close this video, today's secret emoji is going to be a unicorn. Comment down below the unicorn emoji so I know that you watched the video all the way through. So that is our secret emoji today. But like I said, that is the end of this video. I just really want you guys to really realize that this is pretty. I think I'm beautiful, but if I don't think I'm beautiful, then I'm not. Because it don't matter if you thought I was pretty, if somebody walking by watching you watch this video thought I was pretty. It doesn't matter who thinks that you look good or you are good or whatever it is. If you don't think that for yourself, it doesn't matter. Your opinion about yourself matters the most, and a lot of times we have a tainted view of ourselves. So I really think that these tips that I give you, if you take at least one and you apply it and you try it out just for some time, you will see your confidence transform. I think in another video I'm actually going to go a little bit more into depth with my story on, you know, where I was a few years ago and where I am today. That's only if you guys want that. So if you guys want that story, go ahead and comment down below. But for this video today, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys are feeling this very much pretty look. I love you guys so much. I'm about to actually go take some pictures, baby. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye guys.